If you guys saw the video of my peach, which is an Eva's Pride peach, and it's super full of peaches right now, I just planted this one this year. If you have limited space and you can't decide which one to get, this is a 4-in-1 multi-peach. It's got all these 4 different varieties grafted onto the same tree. But I've been to stores where they say 4-in-1, yet it only has 3 branches. Like, where's the 4th one, right? So you have to make sure that you've got 4 branches that are grafted onto the same tree. So you could see here, this is grafted onto this rootstock. All of these branches are grafted onto this tree. So you've got 4 different varieties here. If you have limited space. And then what you have to do over time is make sure that one doesn't overgrow too much larger than the others. So you have to sort of keep them sort of balanced so you get fruit for all 4 varieties. Okay, so there's a lot of reasons why trees might get grafted. Sometimes the rootstock, which this is called a rootstock, and then they attach these scions onto this, which are the new trees. They cut the original one. This is the original one. I never want anything below this to sprout. The original one will always tend to be stronger than the graft. So make sure that nothing grows from the original, like, rootstock. Make sure nothing grows from the original rootstock, right? This one is cut off. So they might get grafted onto more disease resistant roots, maybe more drought tolerance. They're stronger roots. For my ché trees, which I showed in another video, they're grafted onto a rootstock that is less invasive, because the original tree that has a nice quality fruit would be very invasive, have very invasive roots. So it was grafted onto something that was less invasive. So never let anything grow from this original one, because it's going to want to take over everything else. It'll grow very fast. Also, when I picked that Eva's Pride peach and they were still not ready, they were still sweet, just a little bit more tartness to it. This is what it looked like. It was actually orange on the inside. It's barely starting to turn red. So I left them a little bit longer on the tree, and that's where you see that reddish orange color.